never let a sucker start an Armageddon. So now you telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap first. It's all good with me feeling same traces, providing. It's all good with me feeling same traces, providing.